Okay, today we're going to be unboxing the Skyrider Falcon Pro quadcopter drone with video camera. I don't know how much pro there is in this thing, but we shall see. It says it flies at ranges 150 feet. 2.4 gigahertz, 360 flips and tricks. I don't know what kind of tricks there is going on there, but there's the back of the box. It has all the stats on here, what it does. 6-axis gyro, 2 speeds, low and high, camera, SD card slot, 4-channel control, 150 feet, headless mode, auto reverse mode, USB port, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, operating time 6 to 8 minutes, charge time an hour to 80 minutes. Okay, well, let's get to getting it out of the box. And oh, that was great. Yeah, always be leery whenever one of these toy quads says Pro. It means it's probably not Pro. And another thing, the price on this thing, I have never seen a quad that had the price range that this thing has. I've seen this thing for as low as $22 and as high as $170. I don't know anybody, they'd have to have a serious case of stupidity to pay $170 for this thing. But I've seen it. Just do a Google search for it, you'll see it. It must be that Pro name in there. They put that Pro in there so that they can charge more money. Okay, here it is. Here's the quad. Here's the battery. It's a 3.7600. Here's the transmitter. Ooh. Good thing I brought the screwdriver. Good, it locks, so I never have to put that back in there. I did bring some batteries though, so that's a good thing. And I'm sure that thing has a 20% in there. They never have them completely discharged when they send them. Okay, that works. Okay, you got spare prop guards. That's always important. Here's your bag of stuff. It's in a little Ziploc bag. You got spare props. Here's the charger. It's one of them USB deals. Here's that crummy screwdriver. Here's a bag of screws for, I don't know what, maybe extra oh, yeah, extra screws for the props, just in case, I guess, you lose them when you're, these things are easy to lose. You take it out, I have a magnetic screwdriver, but these things aren't, so you take the screw, they fall on the carpet, forget it, so you get some extra screws. And here's your SD card reader with your little card in there. You got a 4 gig card they give you. This thing is very small. It's just a toy. It's a toy. It's for kids. Let's put the battery in. Okay, it has a little plug here where you plug the battery into. You don't have to put the wires together. And it has a little on and off switch here too, so that's okay. Okay, comes on. Now, the video in here will probably be awful. I'm sure it's 640 by 480 and maybe 15 frames per second or something like that. That would be my guess. Let me take a quick look at this manual, just to see what the controller does. Let me just see what the... Okay, you know, it's got your standard trim buttons here. For these two here, and this one actually has some stuff written on it, because it doesn't have any shoulder buttons on here. Has photo and video here, so that's probably one press for the photo, the long press for the video. And then this one is the headless mode. And then here's the pitch and yaw trims right here. So we'll see. Okay, so let's just take it over here and fire it up and see what happens. Maybe we can crash it. Maybe we can wreck it into something. All right, I'm gonna cut it and go put the hat cam on and flop it around in the living room. Okay, we're gonna spin up this Skyrider Falcon for a second. I'll try to get it to shoot some video. I said lights flash when it's recording the video, so it's pretty quiet. Needs trimmed out pretty bad though, I'll tell you that. Let me set it down for a second. Trim it out a little bit. God, it's pulling really bad. Oh yeah, gotta love that feeling. Let me reset the gyro on this thing's all out of whack. Just hardly wasn't enough room to get the damn flip going. Still running. Oh yes, you gotta love it. Okay, that's enough of that nonsense. Oh, you gotta love these little toy quads. You get to beat the shit out of them. You know, these kind of quads, they're basically indestructible no matter what you do. Okay. I'm actually having fun doing this. Okay, I'm going to cut the video, hope so it'll save it to the... Okay, good. At least I got to save the video, so you'll get to see how crappy that is. Actually, it doesn't handle that bad. In reality, it's not that bad. But it does need a lot of room to do those flips. They're not real tight. So alright guys, I've had enough of this thing for right now. Alright, I'll put the video on the end so you can see what happened there. There you go. The Skyrider Falcon Pro. Man, this thing is a real pro. Anyway, it looks like a fun little flyer. I mean, you get this thing for the kids. They can smash it to hell and back. Nothing's going to happen to it. You'll just get some scratches on it like I did here with these props. I get a couple scratches on it. If you can get it for like 25 or 30 bucks or something, it's worth it. I mean, I wouldn't pay any more money than that for it, you know. But just for something for the kids to learn on or whatever, it does seem to handle pretty nice. You know, the steering on it is pretty good, so it's okay. All right, talk to you later.